Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya TV. This particular video is regarding the preparation for Singareni Collieries Management Trainee exams. Okay, let us get into the topic. Right, we all know, okay, when coming to the syllabus, compulsory it covers whatever you have learned in your graduation, that is in your BTech. Okay, right. So compulsory the syllabus is will be of gate level. Okay, it will be of gate level. So gate level syllabus ante automatically it is nothing but related to your graduation level. So altogether the syllabus will be of altogether 45 subjects whatever you have learned in your BTech. Now, is it possible for you to prepare all these subjects within this short period of time? No, it is not at all possible. And one more thing is that we already know, okay, uh, during our graduation, compulsory, most of them, I'm not saying everyone, most of us, I'm 100% sure it is not possible for everyone to gain each and everything from each and every subject. Okay, so now for this short period of time, okay, for this short period of time, it is impossible to prepare all the 45 subjects. So instead of that, what I say is now just put aside the topics or the books or the subjects which you felt difficulty in your graduation. For example, if we consider civil engineering, okay, one of the toughest subjects is, if I'm not wrong, strength of materials or mechanics of solids. Okay, now that particular subject it almost consists of only formulae. So in order to, if you avoid that subject, okay, if you put aside that subject, nothing is wrong in that. So it is not necessary that all the topics whatever mentioned in the syllabus are covered in the exam. Okay, altogether, so it is better you avoid some subjects. Okay, but I'm not saying suppose if you are okay with that subject, then go with it. I'm saying most of the students find that subject, particular subject, that is strength of materials, difficult. All right, so if out of 45 subjects, if you put some 5 to 6 subjects aside, it will be easier for you. ఓకే, అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అనగానే మొత్తం బుక్ ఎట్లా అనుకోకండి. ఓకే, ఐ థింక్ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ అబౌట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ విల్ బీ హ్యావింగ్ at this time. Okay, so what you do is, if you have certain textbooks related to that, just related to those subjects, just read the textbooks with interest. Okay, read the textbooks with interest. Okay, for every chapter, at the end of every unit, compulsory some MCQs are there in that particular subject. Okay, so just try to solve those MCQs. Okay, before that you just underline all the key points which you find it very important. Okay, then after after underlining those important points, just make a note of it in a separate notes. Okay, do it like that. Then what you do is just go through those points and then you go for mock tests. Okay, there are number of mock tests on online. Okay, online mock tests chala untayandi. Just go through subject wise also online mock tests are also available on net. So you just keep on practicing those mock tests. I'm 100% sure if you follow this, definitely you will clear the government exam. Okay, whatever exam you are preparing for. Right, that is about the core subject. Along with the core subject, you also have general awareness, current affairs, aptitude, reasoning. All these topics are also there. So for these topics also, for whatever, now suppose if you are taking more time in solving a particular problem, okay, though you are thorough with that topic, if you are taking 1 to 2 minutes for solving a particular problem, then you put aside that topic. Okay, you concentrate on the topics which you are able to complete in a short period of time. Then you go to the topics which are taking more time. So why I'm telling this is, always in the examination try to solve the questions which you are easy to, instead of just solving one after the other. Just solve the questions which you find them easy, then you go to the questions which you feel that they'll take more time. Okay, so in this way, if you follow this strategy of preparation, definitely you'll clear the government exams. Okay, so coming to the core subjects again, need not prepare all the subjects. Okay, take the subject which you are very much interested, and then you go for the preparation. And one thing I would like to remind you, no one will score by 100 out of 100 or 200 out of 200 in any competitive exam. It is highly impossible, man. So put that in mind and just prepare the subjects which you are thorough with, because 45 subjects is not an easy, and it's very, will have short period of time. మన లాక్డౌన్ ఉన్నా సరే మ్యాక్సిమం 2 months లో మనకి నోటిఫికేషన్ రావచ్చు. సో కాబట్టి ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఆల్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్స్, టేక్ సమ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్, వాటిపైన థరోగా ఉండండి, ఎస్పెషలీ ద థియరీ యాజ్ వెల్ as the formulae related to that particular topic. Okay, if you do in this way, definitely you will clear the examinations. Okay, if you still have any kind of doubts, please put a comment in the comment box. That's all for this video. Thank you.